guys, back at the shop. It's Sunday. We pushed till about, I don't know, 7:30 last night, and took off, went home. But today, I can get this off the tripod. Yeah. Now, if you can hear in my voice, I'm kind of tired, just trying to keep up. I appreciate you guys that, watch the videos. It seems like it's getting better. Uploaded a video last night and checked it this morning. And usually the views will be, man, I'm working, stop messaging me. It'll take a while for the views to jump to 20, and checked it this morning, I was already at 16, so I was like, wow, just hope that I keep going. But this morning, we're gonna, I know it seems like I'm all over the place with projects, but I have to do at the time what costs less and don't involve me spending a whole bunch, until I can, find some other route of revenue to help with these projects. So before anybody gets here this morning, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the hood. Go ahead and try these vents, see if it works out. This is a hood that a buddy gave me, and I'm just gonna try it out and see what happens. All right, so this is what I'm getting. All right, you can see here, it's not staying up. So I gotta create, well, first I'm gonna DA the whole hood, get rid of all this cracking paint. Then I gotta find some kind of, I don't know, something. Push in here, keep it the way I want it. Then heat it, make sure it keeps the form, and we go from there. So let me grab the DA, get all these drawings that somebody put on here off. I won't show y'all what it is. It's disrespectful. And come back, trying to find something to wedge these. So I'm gonna try and finish this one completely, and then I'll do the other three, just so I'm sure what I'm working with. Shoulder. Alright. So now I gotta cut these out all the way. And these two. Alright. The hood. I need to finish this. As you can tell, yes, it's the same knife, the same shirt. But anyway, I need to go ahead and cut these pieces all the way out because we're taking another route into the hood. Y'all gonna love it anyway because I'm doing it. That's it. Yeah, let me get to cut these before it gets too late. The neighbors come out through the door. Get the fabricated. Alright, y'all. So I had Arthur cut the long pieces, and I'm gonna cut the curves. Then I'm gonna cut this whole section out. I'm still formulating in my head how I'm gonna. I have an end picture in mind, but getting there is. I'm gonna just cut these out all the way. You guys seen the beginning, seen Arthur cutting yesterday. So I'm just gonna cut, show you the end result, and then we go from there. Well, end result after I cut, and then what I come up with to create these things. All right. So hope you guys enjoy the video so far. Guys an idea of what I'm going for with the hood. Start to kind of mock it up. That's pretty much what you're going to see. The front, however, will be closed. This is just a release fence. But from the side, sides will be open. So here and here will be closed, but this side and back here will be open. So that's pretty much what I'm going for. There's gonna be about a 3/4 inch gap in them to let the air out, and that's basically it. So now I got to figure out how to close, seal these areas, leaving these open. So there you have it. That's what it's looking like.